Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, speakers, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and webcam cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna and webcam cables from the routing channel in the right display panel hinge. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the right display panel hinge off of the alignment pins and remove it from the display enclosure. The left display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.